welcome to Clara Crochets. I'm Clara, and today I'm going to be teaching you the Bobble stitch, abbreviated DC5TOG. I'm going to be using this yarn, which is Loops and Threads Soft Classic. It is an acrylic medium weight number 4 yarn. And I'm also going to be using a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. Also, if you don't already know how to make a double crochet stitch, I'd recommend going and watching that tutorial. DC5TOG stands for double crochet 5 together. And it is what forms what is called a bobble stitch, which is this little bump right here. How you make it. First, you're gonna yarn over and stick your hook into the next available stitch from front to back so that you have both the front and back loop on your hook. Then you're gonna yarn over and work a double crochet stitch, but not all the way through because you want to end with 2 loops left on your hook. And this is the first of the 5 double crochet stitches that we will be crocheting together. So for the second one, you're going to yarn over and you're going to put your hook into the same hole that you just crocheted into. So that is this big hole right here, and it's the hole that your yarn traces back into. You're going to do another double crochet stitch, this time and with 3 loops on your hook. And then you're just going to keep doing this until you've done a total of 5 double crochet stitches in the same hole. 6 loops on your hook. Once you've done that, yarn over one last time, and this time I'm going to bring the yarn through all 6 loops on the hook. Try to move your hook straight and not wiggle it around so you can minimize the chance that you'll drop any of these loops. Congratulations, you're done. You only have 1 loop left on your hook. This stitch is used to give crochet projects a kind of puffy look. But for example, if I crocheted a couple of stitches, you can see it kind of gets folded. That's normal. Chances are you actually just want to push that bobble stitch out like that, and you'll get that puffy look. That's how you make a bobble stitch. If this has been helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!